your Hindi work by now? Now it's time to begin with maths class. Yes. So can anyone tell me, you all must have done it in your Hindi also. What is the date today? Today is 16 December 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Yes. So today is Wednesday. And what are we going to do today? Maths. Yes. अब see, maths और EVS actually in both the subjects same thing is going on, isn't it? हम एक सब्जेक्ट में हम लर्न कर रहे हैं and see साइड बाय साइड दूसरे सब्जेक्ट के काम के साथ हम उसको रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. How nice it is. Once we are understanding and in the other subject period हम उसी टॉपिक को रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. Isn't it great? So this is the best way to learn, isn't it? Wow. So class, in maths we have done shapes or we are doing shapes, not completed actually. So we were doing shapes. Can you tell me which shape we have already completed? Yes? Make that shape in the air. गोल गोल रानी, कुएं में कितना पानी, बोल मेरी रानी. Isn't it? ये छोटे छोटे poems आपने कभी सीखी होंगी and you might be playing them also. So the one which we have already completed is this shape, है ना, जिसको हम एक ही point से start कर रहे थे and we were joining and reaching to the same point. So this was circle shape. Yes. So which shape was it? It's a circle shape. What are we going to do now? Today ma'am is going to teach you, and in EVS we have also done triangle. EVS में तो triangle भी कर लिया है. So two shapes completed. But now today we are going to understand one more shape. अच्छा, triangle shape कौन सी होती है? मैम ने आपको उसका एक सिंपल फैक्ट बताया था कि जिस भी शेप में ये चीजें होंगी तो वो ट्रायंगल होगा. What was that? It has three sides and those three sides are joined with each other, isn't it? तीन sides होंगी और वो तीनों join होंगी एक दूसरे से, तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? Triangle shape कहलाएगा. Yes. So you have learned it, isn't it? Great. So now today we are going to begin with a new shape, but before understanding the name of the shape, can you tell me if you have ever seen a dice? You all must have been playing Ludo or Snakes and Ladder, these type of indoor games आप सबके पास होंगे and you all must enjoy playing them, might be enjoy playing them with your family. So we have Ludo, we have Snakes and Ladders, then we have number games में और बहुत सारे आते हैं which we use dice. So what is a dice? एक square block होता है छोटा सा which is having some dots on it like this. अभी क्या है? 3 dots है, that means 3 number. Then on the other side you will have 2 dots. Then on one you might have 1 dot, 6 dot. Like this we have numbers 1 to 6. 1 से लेके 6 तक होते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it a dice. Yes, what we call it? Dice. So can you tell me वो किस तरह से दिखता है आपको, कि कौन सी शेप में दिखाई देता है वो हमें, उसकी कितनी साइड्स होती है? If you have a dice, just take it out and tell me कि वो आपकी उसको कितनी साइड्स होती हैं, or you can just count them from here also. How many sides this dice has? 1 2 3 4. That means dice की 4 sides होती हैं. जैसे triangle की 3 होती थी, तो ये वाली जो shape है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, this shape is having 4 sides. Now everyone look at the window of your room. The room in which you are sitting must be having a window, isn't it? Just have a look at the window. Can you see your window? Yes, very good. तो अब आप we are going out or even at home, it is a really good habit to keep a hanky in your pocket, or you can call it a handkerchief in your pocket, isn't it? So all of you take out that hanky and see how many sides that hanky has. Hurry up, count fast and tell me. Fast, fast, fast. Take out your hanky and tell me how many sides your handkerchief has. Again. 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And what it is? Handkerchief. What it is? It's a handkerchief. Now, this is one we have with 4 sides. This is again we have 4 sides. It's a window. I forgot to write that. It's a window. So, window we have, handkerchief we have, dice भी होती है. Okay, have you ever seen a small passport size photographs? पापा या मम्मा के वॉलेट में रखी होती है, या हम कोई भी स्कूल में फॉर्म फिल करते हैं, या आपका आई कार्ड होता है, सी मैम इज वेयरिंग द आई कार्ड, तो उसमें ये छोटा सा आपको दूर से दिख रहा है, इसको हम कहते हैं पासपोर्ट साइज, जो छोटी सी फोटो होती है. अगेन दैट पासपोर्ट साइज फोटोग्राफ इज आल्सो वेरी स्मॉल बट हैविंग 4 साइड्स. क्लियर? सी 1, 2, 3 and 4. इसकी भी 4 साइड्स हैं. अब अभी लेटर्स नहीं आते बिकॉज वी हैव WhatsApp, we have mails, so many things. The things have gone in such a technified form. But जब हम पहले अपने फ्रेंड्स को लेटर्स लिखते थे, you can ask your parents, they might be having some in their collection to show you. हमें ना हर लेटर के ऊपर एक पोस्टल स्टैम्प लगाना पड़ता था छोटा सा. So that postal stamp used to look like this. Again, this was having 4 sides. Clear? So this was also having 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay, once when we started the video, I told you about the game Ludo and Snakes and Ladder. There is one more game which we call Carrom board, जिसपे coins होते हैं, white color के, black color के, then we have tigers on it. वो सब circle shape में होते हैं, isn't it? The queen is pink in color. तो कैरम बोर्ड देखा है, बोर्ड कौन सी शेप में होता है, व्हाट इज हाउ मेनी साइड्स, उस बोर्ड की कितनी साइड्स होती हैं. अगेन दैट कैरम बोर्ड इज हैविंग 4 साइड्स, है ना? ऐसा दिखता है ना वो. आई ड्रॉ स्मॉल वन हियर. ऐसे होता है, उसमें यहाँ पे 4 वेल्स होती हैं. वेल्स मतलब होल्स होते हैं, और यहाँ पे हम कॉइंस रखते हैं, एंड फ्रॉम हियर वी यूज दिस टाइगर. कुछ ऐसा दिखता है वो कैरम बोर्ड, isn't it? So that board is also having 4 sides. So class, what I want to tell you here is any object, कोई भी object जिसकी 4 sides हैं. कितनी sides हैं? 4. See, everywhere we have written 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. जितने भी हमने ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करी है, चीजों के बारे में डिस्कस किया है, all of them are having 4 sides, isn't it? So what I want to tell you here is कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जिसके 4 sides हैं और वो 4 sides इक्वल भी हैं, बड़े छोटे नहीं है, वो इक्वल हैं. आप देख रहे हो, जो इसकी साइज है वही इसका साइज है, सेम इसका साइज है और सेम इसका साइज है. दैट मीन्स किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का जिसके 4 साइड्स हैं और सारे साइड्स इक्वल हैं, सेम हैं, उस शेप को हम क्या कहते हैं? स्क्वायर शेप. यस, क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? स्क्वायर. सर्कल गोल होता है, ट्रायंगल की 3 साइड्स होती हैं, स्क्वायर की 4 साइड्स होती हैं, और वो सब आपस में एक दूसरे को टच करती हैं. सी ऑल आर टचिंग. मैम ने कोई ऐसे तो नहीं बनाया ना, या ऐसे बनाया है मैम ने? नो, ये वाले shape. Like we have one gift here. Christmas भी आ रहा है और birthdays तो आते ही रहते हैं, isn't it? आप अपने friend को gift देते हो या वो आपको gift देता है. Sometimes the box is square. ऐसे होता है ना, सब side से equal होता है वो. So that is called a square shape. Which shape it is called? Square shape. Again I am telling, किसी भी object की 4 sides हैं और वो equal हैं, तो हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? We will call it a square shape. Clear? Say with me the name once again. Which shape it will be? Square. All of you say with me. Square. Square shape. Clear class? Again, any object having 4 sides, जिसके 4 sides हैं, all those 4 sides are equal. पहली चीज क्या है? 4 sides हैं. दूसरी बात, वो 4 के 4 sides equal हैं. And the third thing is they are touching each other. वो एक दूसरे को touch कर रहे हैं सारे sides. तो उस shape को हम क्या बोलेंगे? What are we going to call it? A square shape. That particular shape will be known as square shape. Clear? चलिए अब बुक में एक एक्सरसाइज कराएंगे मैम, जिससे आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. Clear? So you have to open your book on page number 30 and 31. Yes, I'll write here book page number 30 and 31. So all of you open your maths book. Maths का subject है ना class? So you have to open your maths book. Open it and I will tell you how we are going to do this work. Okay? So class, now what you have to do? Open your maths book on page number 30. Yes. So when you will open your book on page number 30, you will find the topic square. Isn't it? So what is the name of the shape that we have learnt today? Square. Yes, the name of the shape is square. So first that we are going to do thing is write today's date. So what is that? 16 December 2020 and write classwork here. So how we are going to do that? Let's read the question. Join all the broken squares. Tick the smallest square. Now see, there are a lot of objects given here. We have a window, we have gift box, we have handkerchief, we have photographs, we have a dice. So all these objects I have shown you on the board also. And if you will observe carefully, आप देखेंगे सब में 4 sides हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every object given here is having 4 sides, isn't it? And all these sides are equal. And after being equal, all these sides are also joining with each other. सब एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई है ना sides. That is why it is called a square shape. So now let's do the work and join all these broken lines. So how we are going to do? Take your pencil and start joining like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's all joined and we have counted that this object is having 4 sides. और देखो हमने उनको सबको join करा है, वो equal है. So it is a square window. Understood? Now let's see this one. Count the sides also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 sides and they all are joined with each other. and they are equal, so it's a gift box. Now moving to the next, what we have here is a handkerchief. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 sides joined to each other. So it's a handkerchief. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 sides photograph. So we generally hang beautiful family photographs on the wall. So it's the photograph we have. Now it's a dice. See? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we have observed that whatever objects we have done here, whichever objects we have seen here, all are having 4 sides. सबकी कितनी sides हैं? 4 sides हैं. All these sides are equal to each other and they are joined with each other. So it is a square shape. Clear? Okay. Now moving to the next, we have page number 31. So class, first thing is write down today's date. 16 December 2020. And this one is your homework. So mention HW. Clear? Now, do ochre painting on all 4 sides of the square. So what is an ochre here? Lady finger को ochre भी कहते हैं. Clear? So what you have to do? You have to arrange a lady finger. उसको मम्मा की हेल्प करके कट करवा लेना मम्मा से थोड़ा सा. And then you have to dip it in green color. और इस तरह से you have to put that ochre marks. उसको यूज़ करके आपको यहाँ पे उसके prints लगाने हैं और फिर आपका ये ऐसा square shape बन जाएगा. Understood? So it's a lady finger painting. And the last one we have is color all the squares yellow. तो यहाँ पे आपको देख रहे हैं you have circle, you have triangle and you have squares also. So what you have to do? You have to search all the square shapes और जितनी भी square shapes हैं you have to color all these square shapes using your yellow pencil color. Clear? So this is your homework which you have to do and share it. Understood that? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's work. And tell me the 3 main important points that you have to remember for the square shape. Number 1. It has 4 sides. Very good. What is number 2? All the sides are equal. मतलब वो सब sides एक दूसरे के जितनी ही होंगी, कोई big कोई small नहीं होगी. Clear? And number 3, वो एक दूसरे को touch कर रही होंगी. And the most important and the regular seen example is your maths notebook. आप उसमें counting लिख रहे हैं तो आपने देखा है ना वो boxes बने हुए हैं, वो सब boxes की 4 sides हैं, वो एक दूसरे को touch कर रही हैं. So that is called your square notebook, maths notebook, or you can call it your square notebook. Clear everyone? Isn't it? So any object having 4 sides, number 1, all 4 sides are equal, number 2, and they are touching each other, number 3. That shape is called, hurry up, bolo, square. Yes, that shape is called square shape. Great. So one small activity with your book work I am giving you. Now you have to tell me in a show and tell form. You are going to tell me about any 5 square objects that you have at home. It can be your toys, It can be any puzzle book. It can be anything. Just search for square shape and tell me. Okay? Bye for now and get ready for the next class. So which is your next class today? Rhymes. But what are we going to do today? Today we are going to make some beautiful Christmas decoration items. So get ready for that wonderful class now. Okay? Bye. Take care.